Here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and select General Management. Here, pick Reset, and you will notice here Reset All Settings. So just tap on it, and if you truly want to perform this action, click on Reset Settings, draw your unlock pattern to confirm, click on Reset one more time, and now wait until the operation is finished. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.